Hello everyone, Boxuga back. Today I found something kind of stupid. I don't know if it's specifically with ALDImobile or it's with Telstra as well, or all voicemail systems. See, we're on the phone. So what I'm going to do is call myself and leave myself. Hello. I don't even know what I just said, but then you're wanting to call your voicemail, which mine's 101 is the number. 101.
Welcome to voicemail. You have one new message and one saved message received at 7. Hello.
Then you just want to double tap to
Connecting
2.
your call now. This call will be charged at your standard mobile rates.
And you'll see this. And then you want to click hold and accept. And then you want to click merge calls, because you'll hear this voicemail hold thing because you put the other one on hold. So you want to merge it. Hello? This is such a weird effect. To be honest, it's trippy as fuck. I don't even know. Ding. Ooh. Oh whoa. I break stuff. This is trippy. Google Pixel on top. So weird. It sounds like this sounds like a roll effect. But we're just going to hang up now. Bye. So that's my stupid trick. But bye.